I was speaking for 10 minutes, another 2 minutes without hitting the record button in this. Twice I forgot to hit record button. Anyway, let's get to the trade. So yesterday we took this Euro Aussie dollar trade. This was the 4-hour order block, as you can see, and then the 1 hour we have this. So this is where it gets a bit complex. So either we could choose this as the order block zone, or we could take the entire mini swing and consider the order block. So if we consider the entire thing, then it would give us only 1.65 R. So it's a break even trade, and that's what happened yesterday, as you can see, break even. And if we considered this, we would have made 2R and we would have won. So there's also an idea I was thinking of. So in case there's a huge order block like this, we could dive into the 15 minutes and be a bit be not conservative, be a bit more generous in the 15 minutes order block. So instead of taking this small thing as the order block, we can take the black candles close as the order. So basically a bit more room for stop loss. That is the plan. So because in 15 minutes order blocks, most of the time it doesn't hit the 15 minutes order block zone. So if we took the 15 minutes, we would have won, right? That's okay. There's more to learn, and right now we do not have any other setup. We could consider this an order block, but then it's very weird, as you can see. Sorry. Yeah, anyway, it did not hit our order block zone, so we do not care. So within 2 minutes, it should close outside the 4-hour order block. Or if it closes just like this, we still have a low probability setup. So let's see. And USD Swiss franc is giving us a nice opportunity. As you can see, in the 1 hour we have this order block zone. So let's see what happens here. And let's go to the trade plan. So Bitcoin is right now rallying. I feel that we will not have a pullback. Anyway, that doesn't matter. What matters is it making a new high and giving us our good profits. Okay, so we do not have any setup in Bitcoin. I mean, it's a long way to go. And gold is a low probability setup because we have multiple 4-hour candles, and this looks like liquidity, and it could take all this and continue going up. Or anyway, it's a low probability setup, and if you see, the 1 hour order block is also not very clear. It's kind of weird. This could be the order block because this is the first fair value gap created. So this could be the order block, or we can use our 15 minutes thing and then just keep it right here. But then we have to be generous with our 15 minutes order block, so it would still be this. So anyway, we can't be trading this, so let's just observe this level. And let's go to Euro JPY. So Euro JPY and USD CAD. So USD CAD, we could consider this as the order block because you can see there's a fair value gap, there's a breakup structure, and this wick could be considered a order block. So if we check in this wick, there's this huge 1 hour order block. So because of that, I thought to myself, it's pointless taking a trade here. But if we use our 15 minutes generous order block, we could trade off of this order block and we would have won. Anyway, let's see the next opportunity we have. which is this. So this is the 4-hour order block with this fair value gap, and in the 1 hour is just very weird because we have multiple 1 hour candles. It's not clear, and anyway, this is a low probability setup because there's no breakup structure. So anyway, we could be taking only half quantity. So let's see what happens here. I will place the alert here, and Euro JPY, there's a long way to go to come here or create a new opportunity. So let's see. Aussie dollar, this looks like a valid zone. I think I already marked, yes. So we'll have half quantity here, half quantity here. This order block is exhausted. We could have taken, no, we do not have this trade, it's over. And yeah, so this order block, 4-hour order block is exhausted as this 4-hour candle has closed bullish. So let's go next. Long way to go for both these trades, but there's something here, so we could look where when it comes here. Let's place an alert here. Yeah, same here. And Euro USD, yesterday's pending order, we closed it because it tapped and gave us a reaction, but then our 1 hour order block gave the reaction. It's okay. We know for a fact that these type of setups are make us lose, so no worries. Okay, so this is the next 4-hour order block, fair value gap, break of structure. So this is valid, and the issue is where would you keep the stop loss, where would you keep the entry? You could either keep the entry here or here and keep the stop loss here or here. Nobody knows, so I did not take this trade. And also because I was in a hurry to go to some place, and I was late. I didn't have time to check the trade. GBP USD, similar situation. We have this 4-hour order block, and if we go to 1 hour, we have this order block. So we could place our stop loss here and entry here, or we could place our entry here and stop loss there. So if we took this trade, we would have made 2R. That's okay. So this is the trade review. We do not have many opportunities today. We have, I think, only 2. So I will see if there are more opportunities and place the pending orders. Yeah. So we do not have any setups today, or even if there were, we did not take any. We were too late for it. Anyway, the update is that my girlfriend's back in Chennai, and she's not going to be leaving for another 4 months because she quit her job, and she's going to be studying PG in the US, New York, and she's going to be gone for at least 3 years. So for another 4 months, it's going to be fun and chill. So this is the update, and also I'm planning to join the gym with her together. That's the worst sentence construction. I'm going to be joining the gym. Yeah, so that is another update. Place all the pending orders, and yeah, I really don't know what I'm saying. So basically what I'm saying is that from next week, I just keep telling this every week on Friday, but then from from Monday, I'm going to be placing all the pending orders that are in my opportunities, and gonna take every trade that I get. I don't want to miss any trade, even if it's a loss, if it's a win. Let's not shy away from the losses. Let's only then we will be able to take the profits confidently, right? We'll be able to take trades only if you make sure that you don't shy away from losses. Because if you're like this might not work because of stupid reasons, so I'm not gonna take this trade, and then it eventually works, or even if it goes for a loss, and then you'll be like, yeah, see, I told you. So then you'll follow the same principle next time, which was based out of stupidity, and then the next time the trade would work just like any other setup, any other strategy, because it's just 50-50. And then you'll slap yourself so hard for not taking the trade, or you would create new stupid theories. See, there's this small difference between this and that. That is why this worked. This is where new theories are formed in trading, which are stupid. So, enough with this rant. From next week, let's take it even more seriously. This week, I've been taking it seriously, but the conditions were a bit bad. I was very tired most of the time, but right now I'm better. So, let's get back. Hello, guys. So, uh, let's see what the market has done, and let's also plan for the midnight trades. And I have this new idea for a YouTube video. It's not like a big idea, it's just something I want to talk about. So, let's talk about it at the end of today's video. Wow, Bitcoin is going up, but Solana is just not moving. The movement in Bitcoin is so good, but then Solana is moving slowly. Anyway, let's start. Euro USD, we have this. Uh, so basically, there is this break of structure, and there is an order block, and there is a fair value gap. Okay, so we have a trading opportunity here. But why are we planning? Today is a Friday Fool. My God. Okay, let's just see what has happened. So Euro USD has. So this was the trade in the morning we were talking about, and it would have gone for a loss or break even depending on where we placed our entry and stop loss. GBP USD, we would have made profit, as you can see, 1:2. And that too, it also depends on where you place the order and stop loss. So if we placed it here, then we would have just broken even, I guess. Yeah, we would have broken even. Yeah, so basically it depends on where we placed our stop loss and entry, but mostly this is too big, so I would have placed it here and taken the trade. um, no other trading opportunity was there, so let's go to the next. No trading opportunity here and here, same with this pair. We actually had this low probability setup, but the thing is it did not tap our entry. Yes, we would have taken the trade here, somewhere here. It did not come there, so no trade again. No trade again here. USD Swiss franc, the reason I don't want to be trading that is because the news events are weird in that. Like, I would not know that there is a news event and there will be some random uh, spike. So that's what happened. I did not place the pending order. Luckily, I placed an alert, and when I went there, the candle just blasted through, and there was no mention of news here. So Swiss franc doesn't have a news system, but I don't know why it just blasted. Every other pair was normal, so I do not know. Unless it's a news event, a 1 hour candle won't blast. So I think I should be removing that. Everything else is you know has some data about the news. So let's see the rest of the setup today. Yeah, so this was what we planned and it did not happen. There was no plan here as we thought. Bitcoin is going up. Okay, good. Gold. Uh, we marked this uh, zone as the order block as we have this fair value gap and this order block, no breakup structure, low probability setup, and as you can see we would have marked the 1 hour order block as this, and the thing was it tapped the 4 hour order block and gave us a 2 candle reaction, which is enough to consider this 4 hour block as exhausted. So no trade here again. Maybe if we consider this entire thing as the order block, we can still check if there are more opportunities. But anyway, today is Friday, so it's over. We do not care. So, and Euro, GBP, yes. Again, no trade. Here, no trade. So basically, it's the same as the previous review. No opportunities, right? What I want to talk about in tomorrow's video or day after tomorrow's video is how my ego held me back from becoming a profitable trader. There are many reasons why I am not a profitable trader yet, or there were many reasons. I don't know if I'm profitable yet, but there were many reasons. So there were many reasons for me not being profitable, and I think one of the main reasons I was not profitable was because of my ego, right? I had like, it's not like I'm not saying that people who have a big ego will not be successful in trading. That is not what I'm saying, but what I'm saying is yeah, basically this is the concept for tomorrow. I don't know why I'm explaining now. So let's talk about that tomorrow, and today we are done. Yeah.